What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. And as you can tell by my previous video, shit's about to go down today. It's about to go down. Ooh-wee. And just like that, no more bikes.
Come up.
Come up. But yeah, short-lived, going to a good new home. This Yamaha, this red one's probably gonna get ridden by his mom because he really likes the blue one.
He does?
Yeah, he likes the blue one. He wants the blue one. So, yep. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog this part because I don't know how he is with recording, but let's get it.
So update.
Putting fuel.
Huh?
Hey, why are the mirrors missing? I swear this had mirrors.
I deleted them. I deleted them.
This had mirrors when we left.
Nah, but I deleted them. Hey, give me another strap, bro.
You want another strap?
Yeah.
Yeah. I told this man to put straps. More straps.
Bend over like that for me, daddy.
Shit.
Keep it there. Just keep it there. I got you.
See this man. Look at this man.
Is it?
There should be more. What are you gonna strap down?
The same thing I did with the front forks. So that way the kickstand doesn't have a chance to like let up. You know what I'm saying?
We'll see you when we get back.
Alright, the good people of YouTube. I didn't even update you guys. But I got a new bike. You guys ready to see it? Sheesh. Oh, dude. Guys, sorry, I didn't continue. I was just really just trying out the bike, seeing what I need to be done to it, but this is probably the best deal I've ever had in my Facebook career. Without further ado, I didn't really explain the bike, but let's just start with this. The two bikes are gone, but I gained a really good bike out of it. I absolutely love this bike. I went to go test it around a little bit. I didn't record it. I just wanted like just a pure reaction. Just wanted to know what my reaction was without the camera. It's probably gonna be the same when I, you know, ride it with you guys and take you guys with me. But anyways, welcome to my real cafe racer bike. It is a 1982 Honda CB 900, and it's it's the same CCs as my XSR, which is cool. But it has one more cylinder, and let me tell you, that extra cylinder, as much as I love my 900, my XSR 900, I can't say 900 anymore because they're both the same CC. As much as I love my XSR, this CB just absolutely shits on how, in the sound department. Everything else, my XSR, top notch. I'll take the XSR any day, but when it just comes to the sound, it is absolute bliss. It is so beautiful sounding. Yeah, I mean, I literally have nothing bad to say about this. I love this 4-cylinder. So I'm not gonna talk too much about it. I don't want to bore you guys, and I don't even know anything really about the bike. But it is a 1982 Honda CB 900C. Like I said, it's a custom from the factory, but the guy went through and customized it how I would like it, and I just came up on a great deal. So let's just start from the front back. So literally the front half from this fork forward, it's all Gixxer. Except for the headlight. So it's all Gixxer. Gixxer front forks, Gixxer front wheel, Gixxer brakes, Gixxer front fender. Headlight looks to be, that's like your generic Amazon headlight. It shines. I mean, it functions. It functions. Aftermarket dash. It only has 500 miles on here right now. 493. Don't know how true that is. The guy that I, traded my 2 bikes with said it's a built motor. They redid everything, so we'll see. I'm just gonna do my normal oil change and all that good stuff. I'm not too worried about it. It's a Honda. It'll take a beating. Anyways, just from visuals, this part looks a little bit newer than the bottom, so I don't know. Sure. The coil packs, or I'm sorry, the spark plugs look new. Carb looks really clean. I'm not seeing any leakage or anything like that. We got some pod filters, which is great. I was gonna do that anyways. This M4 exhaust, absolutely. This 4-to-1 is absolutely nuts. And honestly, if I plan on keeping the XS750, I would have done a 3-to-1, because anything from like header down to a 1 exhaust, just as you can. I mean, I have it. The 3-to-1 is amazing on the 900 already. But yeah. Anyways. Cleaned up the back here, super clean. This is what I wanted to do with a 750 anyways, XS. Clean up all this crap and then just have a nice, I mean, it just looks cool to me. Just has that really cafe look to it. I love this bike. I love it, I love it, I love it. Rear sets, custom, just so, before I think it was like down here somewhere, but the rear sets have to be moved upward and a little bit more aggressive just because of the clips. Otherwise your sitting position will just be like, you're sitting straight, but then you're just bending your back, and it's not comfortable. So I'll show you guys my seating position on this. It makes you feel like Batman. It's dope. Still sticking with the drive shaft. It is a drive shaft bike. Now no belt, no chain. So yeah, super cool. Let me see what else. That's really it. Custom seat, custom frame. I was gonna do it anyways. Chop the rear off and then weld something here. I had a buddy that knows how to do all that. But that's just a quick overview of the bike. And on this wall was the extra parts that he gave me. Rear wheel, front wheel, and another front wheel with a fork. So comment below if you guys want me to go back to OEM fork. Psych, I'm keeping the gold forks. And he has a bunch of old parts for me too. I haven't really gone through it. Maybe we can do that in another video. But I just wanted to keep it simple and quick for you guys, because oh my god, I still can't believe it. I'm probably gonna go to sleep today and I'm just gonna wake up and I come to this and I'm like, did this really happen? Oh my god, guys, you have no idea. So I'm really happy. I cleaned up the garage a little bit. I don't have too many bikes. I still have 3 bikes in here, but again, we'll get to this Honda. We'll get to this Ruckus soon. I just want to focus on the big bikes for now. I'll probably do something with that over the summer next year, 2025. My goal is to get it running, trust. But now I can fit my Giro Corolla in here, I think. I hope. I'm gonna put the parts, I'm gonna massage everything around. The XSR is going all the way in the back. And if I want to ride, I definitely want to ride the CV around. But I'm super happy. Like, oh my god, dude, let's just get a thumbnail of this guy. Shit. It looks so good. Oh my god. Now I know, oh, what happened to your build series? I thought you were gonna do a build series. Honestly, guys, I really wanted to, but just the money I had to dump in and the time I had to dump in to make it look like this from factory, truthfully, I don't want to. I just like to ride. I want to ride. I love to build. I love to fix, of course, but I'd rather just ride. I'd rather just spend my time riding. And if I'm not in the garage, I just usually just to chill inside the house. Truthfully, I got work and whatever. I got stuff to do. But I'm just really happy I picked this up. Immediate things that I do want to do soon on this bike is adjust the clip-ons, because the way they are right now. Also, I can flat foot this bike. Oh yeah, hold on. Before here, let me tell you guys what I need to do to the front. I don't know if you can see it, but this one is a little bit more inward. So I have to get it out. As you can see, the button smacks the tank right here. All right, so I have to adjust this just like this. And I think this rear one, or was it the right or the left? The right one is a lot more lower than the left. Not a lot, but just a smidge. So I'm gonna adjust that. So that's what I want to do right away. And obviously winterize it, because I don't know, I'm not gonna be able to drive as much M4 exhaust. But yeah, let me show you guys what I mean by what I look like on this bike. Like I can flat foot it, and the aggressive stance that it has. So give me a sec. All right guys, so let me show you what I'm talking about when it comes to the position of this bike, how I sit on it. So this is me bouncing the bike off the kickstand. I'm able to flat foot a bike again. I miss this. With the other bikes, they were high and the seat was wide, and I was literally doing like one of these things. Like I had to tiptoe. I like being able to just flat foot. I miss that feeling. Same thing with XSR 900. I can't flat foot on that, but I could like, on the XSR, I'm like, at least I'm like this. But with this one, full feet. Preference, I like it. But yeah, let me show you guys. Let me put it back on the kickstand. The rear sets, look how far I sit back. Hopefully the kickstand don't fail on me. Oh my God. Super, like, just Tron. Like, true cafe racer, like, positioning. Like, it's so good. I love this position. So, as you can see, oh my God, the kickstand. Ugh, I gotta be careful with the kickstand. I have to adjust the kickstand a little bit. But, as you can see, full, like, cup. The seat cups my butt right here. I'm all the way back, knees in, and I'm in here. I'm locked. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to gap. I don't know about gapping, but I'm just ready to enjoy this bike, man. One thing I will say, this is really uncomfortable. I don't see myself riding this on long trips. I think I'd rather prefer the XSR 900. So this might just be like to base crib, my mom's, riding with the guys just a little bit around the area, around the neighborhood, but nothing like a Wally's trip. Maybe I will, we'll see. Maybe that'll be like a video that I'll do. Can you go long mileage on a cafe racer? But as it sits right now, dude, I do not see myself liking this position one bit. And it's kind of putting stress more on my left arm because the left grip is so much more closer, so my weight is all in the left grip instead of the right. But yeah, man, this is so cool. I'm very happy. This is amazing. But like, dude, you're in there. Like you're just. I want to give you guys a sound clip, but it's dark out right now. It's not late. It's just this thing sounds beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we'll get a sound clip of that soon, I promise. Because I also want to hear this thing. But other than that, really just maintenance. Just keeping it alive. I know for a fact I'm gonna keep this bike. I love this bike. I love this bike. So even though I just rode around a couple miles, I love this bike. If I gotta clean it, if I gotta do whatever I wanna do it, I will do it on this bike, for sure. I don't have two bikes that I gotta juggle around. I don't got two bikes taking up space. Like, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'll make time for this bike for sure. But, yeah, last couple things. Last couple updates in the garage since I'm here with my bikes. I already guys told you about my Honda Gram, or not my Honda Gram, my buddy's Honda Gram. We'll get that going soon, not soon enough, but definitely in the summertime. We'll get this guy dialed down real quick. The Honda, the CB, the XSR 900 coming up. Who knows, maybe. I was thinking about putting clip-ons on this since I already ordered it. I think I still will, but I might hold off on it a little longer now. Just because I already have a bike that has clip-ons. I kind of want to make that like my comfy bike. For when I want to just like, as Ramel would say, a washboard ass look. It was a funny story, just a quick story. It's funny because we were just having a chat and he was like, dude, what girl wants to ride with a dude who rides like this. They want someone that's bent the fuck over like this, like. But it was just a funny conversation. I thought I'd just mention that. But yeah, man, super excited, super excited to just ride this thing and enjoy it. But yeah, clip-ons for the XSR 900 soon. Little stuff with this guy soon, and on the ground soon, and then obviously maybe some jerk roller videos here and there. But at the time of filming this, it is November 22nd. This thing's probably gonna go up sometime in December or January, but depending on how fast I edit these videos and how fast I push them out. But still got content for days. Maybe it'll last me till March, around the time we start riding. So yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys. I appreciate it. I'm really happy with this pickup that I got recently. So hoping to share more with you guys on my journey with this bike. Yeah. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. And yeah, peace.